Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects almost every adult in the US, credit cards. Whether you're just starting to build your credit or you're looking to understand your options better, this video is for you. So let's get started. What is a credit card? So what exactly is a credit card? In simple terms, a credit card is a small plastic or metal card issued by a financial institution that allows you to borrow money to make purchases. Unlike a debit card, which pulls money directly from your bank account, a credit card gives you a line of credit that you can spend up to a certain limit. You then pay back that money either in full at the end of the month or over time with interest. Credit cards are super convenient and can also help you build your credit score, which is crucial for things like getting approved for loans, renting an apartment, or even getting a job. How credit cards work? Let's talk about how credit cards work. When you swipe your card, the credit card company pays the merchant on your behalf. You'll then get a bill, typically once a month, showing what you've spent. If you pay off your balance in full, you won't be charged any interest. But if you only pay the minimum amount due, you'll start accruing interest on the remaining balance, which can get expensive fast. Tip: always aim to pay your balance in full to avoid interest charges. And don't forget, every time you make a payment, it's reported to the credit bureaus, which affects your credit score. The better your credit score, the more likely you are to get approved for loans, lower interest rates, and better credit card offers. Types of credit cards. Now let's go over the different types of credit cards you might encounter. First, we have standard credit cards. These are your basic cards without many bells and whistles, but they're great for building credit. Next up, rewards credit cards. These are popular because they give you points, miles, or cash back for every dollar you spend. If you're smart about using these, you can really rack up some benefits. There are also secured credit cards, which require a cash deposit upfront. These are usually for people with no credit or bad credit, helping them build or rebuild their credit history. And finally, we have store credit cards, which are issued by specific retailers. They often offer discounts or special financing options, but be careful. These cards usually have high interest rates. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Pros and cons of credit cards. Credit cards can be powerful financial tools, but they also come with their own set of pros and cons. Let's break it down. Pros: convenience. Easily pay for things without carrying cash. Rewards and perks: earn points, miles, or cash back. Building credit helps you build your credit score. Purchase protection. Some cards offer fraud protection and extended warranties. Cons: high interest rates. If you don't pay your balance in full, you'll accrue interest. Debt accumulation. It's easy to overspend and end up in debt. Impact on credit score. Missed payments can hurt your credit score. Fees: watch out for annual fees, late payment fees, and foreign transaction fees. So make sure you weigh these factors when deciding how to use your credit card. Tips for using credit cards wisely. Before we wrap up, let's go over some tips for using credit cards wisely. Pay your balance in full every month to avoid interest charges. Keep your credit utilization low. This means not maxing out your credit limit. A good rule of thumb is to use less than 30% of your available credit. Set up automatic payments to avoid late fees and missed payments. Regularly check your statements for any unauthorized charges. Don't apply for too many cards at once, as this can negatively impact your credit score. Bonus tip: if you're new to credit cards, start with just one card and focus on mastering responsible use. And that's it for today's video. Credit cards can be a great tool if you use them wisely, and now you have the knowledge to make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.